Katie Lynch here, the chair of the honors program. I've been getting a lot of questions from students recently about how to find courses in Banner for the summer and how to tell when those courses begin and when they end. So I'm just going to do a very quick tutorial here on how to do that. I just got off the phone with Ms. Buabidi in Enrollment Management and Student Affairs, who was wonderfully kind to me and helped me understand how to do this. So I'm going to pass along this knowledge to you. So first of all, when you're on the registration self-service screen, you've got the course catalog or the schedule of classes. I'm going to click on the schedule of classes. Okay. Right now, I'm being asked to select a term, and because I'm interested in summer 2020, I'm going to go ahead and select that term. Okay. It's important not to select credit-free unless those are the courses you want, but if you're looking for a course for credit to fulfill your degree, you need to select summer 2020. I'll hit continue. Then I'm taken to a page that asks me for more information on what I'm looking for, okay? Now, if I knew that I only wanted to take courses in a particular summer term, and there are 3 of those, there's Summer 1, which runs mostly from late May through most of June. There's Summer 3, which runs from late June through most of July. And there's Summer 2, which runs from early June through most of July. That's a lengthier term. If I knew that I only wanted to search for one of those terms, for courses in one of those terms, I would input that information in part of term, okay? So for example, you see if I scroll down, I can do Summer 1, Summer 2, or Summer 3. Now, if I just want to know if any course, if a certain course is being offered or what courses are being offered all throughout summer, then I can do something different. I don't fill out part of term and I just go to subject. And then maybe I want to know, as a student who recently contacted me did want to know, is there a management course being offered over the summer? Okay, so in that case, I would either scroll down here to find the management department, or if I know the abbreviation of the management department, I can type it in here. And I do know it, it's MGT. Okay, so I'm going to select that. And then again, I'm doing a general search. I want to know, is there any management course being offered over the summer? So I'll hit search. Once I find this information, I need to interpret it. And here is where some things are different from WebAdvisor, so I want to go through them. The CRN is the identifier of the course. Not a big deal. The term, again, is summer 2020. And look, you see how you can drag these windows to show more or less information? That's going to be really important in a minute. The subject is management. Okay, the course number is 111. Now in Banner, course numbers are 5 digits, not 3. So what happens is for your normal course number, the course number you're used to, it just gets 2 zeros added onto it. So MGT 111 is now MGT 11100. The section number is just an identifier. You don't really need to know that, but it's going to be different for each section of the course. Okay, so it might come in handy if you're looking at multiple sections of the same course. You have the title of the course here. You want to double check that's the course you need. How many credits the course carries. Who is teaching it, okay? And if you click on this, you can discover some information that will be populated at later times. Right now, there's no information currently at the moment. This next box is the one that I want to really focus on. If you don't know when the course starts and when the course ends, you're going to want to expand this box, okay? And when you do, and we're going to have to keep scrolling over, but when you expand that box, you're going to learn a few things. First of all, you're going to see that the course is online, which makes sense. All Summer 1 and Summer 2 courses for 2020 are online. Summer 3, we haven't yet decided yet, okay? So stay tuned. We see that it's online in Blackboard. It has no building, right, because you're doing it online. But you also see the start date. It starts on June 1st and it ends on July 23rd. That means that it's a Summer 2 class, but to be honest, you don't really need to know that it's Summer 2. You just need to know that it starts on June 1st and it ends on July 23rd, and so that's when you're expected to be participating in that class online. In the next box, that's the enrollment. You can see, if we expand this here, 16 of 20 seats remain, and we also see that the course is online. The campus is online, okay? In the future, you will also see if the course fulfills any general education requirements. That will be noted here, so that's going to be a great feature for you to have that information. So just a quick tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and if I don't know how to answer them, I will continue to reach out to the people who have those answers.